FTNT stock analysis next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief, short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And when I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. My man, it's all documented on my YouTube channel. And I'm here to tell you that FTNT came down quite hard this last week. Honestly, like, this is just some tough performance, and especially for me, the only thing you can see, I have a line pointing towards the upside, which means what? Which means that I'm open-minded to taking things further higher, but it's just that not that I'm gonna randomly start buying, you know what I mean? So especially how things are gonna look like for me with Fortinet is that unless I see a double break, I'm not taking things further higher whatsoever. And that double break could actually mean waiting for freaking a full-on 1-2 weeks, because I'm genuinely just not going to come here and start buying unless I see a proper double break. You know what I mean? So I'll keep you updated. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.